Hi, welcome to the Lighthouse. You are going to answer 30 multiple choice questions. Please comment on your score end of the video. Best of luck. Low-lying land that is wholly or partially covered with water. The answer is fin. A person who reads news on TV. The answer is anchor. What is a male deer called? The answer is stag. What is a baby llama called? The answer is cria. A government-imposed trade restriction limits the import or export of goods. The answer is quota. What is a group of vultures called? The answer is kettle. What is a fear of needles called? The answer is trypanophobia. Material, usually soil and rock, is left behind by a moving glacier. The answer is moraine. A secondary character who supports the protagonist. The answer is sidekick. A study of handwriting to reveal personality traits. The answer is graphology. A landform consists of a hole or depression on a planetary surface. The answer is crater. A wheeled platform is used to move heavy objects. The answer is dolly. A substance that is composed of two or more elements. The answer is compound. A place where artworks are shown. The answer is gallery. A decorative border or band with repeating patterns. The answer is frieze. In geometry, two sides meet to create an angle. The answer is adjacent. What is a group of rabbits called? The answer is colony. A chemical process where molecular dinitrogen is converted into ammonia. The answer is nitrogen fixation. Flavorful liquids used as a base for soups, sauces, and other dishes. The answer is stock. What is a female bear called? The answer is sow. Chest pain is often due to reduced blood flow to the heart. The answer is angina. A person who studies the skin. The answer is dermatologist. A high-speed skiing race against the clock. The answer is downhill. What is the fear of open spaces called? The answer is agoraphobia. What is a group of bees called? The answer is swarm. A vocal composition with an instrumental accompaniment. The answer is cantata. In law, evidence is presented to contradict or nullify other evidence. The answer is rebuttal. A single large sheet of fabric with an opening in the center for the head. The answer is poncho. A hardware or software component that stores data temporarily. The answer is cache. Large scissors for cutting fabric or plants. The answer is shears. Hey everyone! Thanks for participating in today's quiz. Please don't forget to share your scores in the comments below. We love hearing how you did and what you found interesting or challenging. Also, if you enjoyed this quiz, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, so you won't miss out on our future quizzes and educational content. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.